welcome back to Lights, Camera, Cookies. Thank you so much for being here with us today. My name is Larissa, and this is my friend.
Hey.
This is our Disney Munchlings expert, Rye. Yes,
Rye? Like rye bread? She's in my seat. Since when do we afford special guests?
Well, she's free. She's family. So, Riley, why did we bring you on for this episode?
You guys brought me on because I love Munchlings and I'm obsessed with them and I think they're really cute and I know a lot about them.
So she's an expert?
Let's move on to the cookie that we showed you. I hope you liked how we made this cookie. So now, Rye, I'm gonna ask you to show us all the other cookies that we made.
Careful with the merchandise.
Mickey.
The Mickey Cinnamon Bun, how cute is he?
We have Donald.
Donald's what?
I think he's like a Boston cream donut.
Yes.
Yeah, how'd you get that one?
Have Stitch.
Stitch is like a pineapple upside down cake.
And behind us, we actually have a couple Stitch things.
Oh yeah, look at Stitch, the fan favorite.
Daisy.
Oh, look at Daisy.
Okay, she's super cute.
What is she?
Like like a fancy pastry.
Yeah.
Torte with fruit.
We have Pooh.
Ah!
He's like a sticky bun.
You brought your
So
sticky Pooh
cute.
on the set.
He's like
Get
a-
her off.
Of course, we have Minnie that we showed before.
Oh, then we have Minnie. Super cute. Thank you so
You
much,
showed
Rye.
Minnie last.
Thank you so much
Such
for making
disrespect.
these cookies. Please do check out our compilation of how we made all of these cookies. And we're also going to have a sprinkle ASMR video coming up soon.
Oh,
with them.
I love the sprinkles.
And now let's get on to why we're all here. We're here for some Disney Munchling.
What?
What? We're here for some Disney Munchling fuzz.
Fact.
I'm thrown off.
Why?
What are you saying?
So let's get into some really quick Disney Munchling
Fuzz facts.
facts. Okay, so we don't have that many fuzz facts because these are like super new. These are only like a year old.
Yeah.
So fuzz fact number
Number 1.
one.
Supposed to hold up the number 1.
Fuzz fact number
one.
Number one. Disney Munchlings were first introduced at the D23 Expo in the year 2022, which was just last year. And the first line of Disney Munchlings was what we created here.
Oh!
This super cute sweet treat set.
So those treats are 2 years old.
Well, it's 2023.
Oh.
Well,
Almost 2 years
they're
old.
going to be 2 years old. So they were like
I can do
one of the
math.
things that like all the Disney fans were like, oh my gosh, I need these because they're so freaking
Cute.
because they're so cute. Fuzz fact number
Number 2.
she hit her hand.
Oh man! Don't get injured.
And here we go with fuzz fact number.
Number 2.
Our last fuzz fact. Where did these come from? Like who thought up?
Shop Disney.
Who thought these up? What genius created them? Here
Go ahead, expert.
is the backstory.
It's her story.
Wait, why isn't she reading the story?
Something very special has been happening in the Main Street Bakery. As story has it, one day when the sun set on Main Street, Master Baker Pierre
Dumont.
was adding the final touches to his sweet creations. As he hung his apron and left the bakery, Pierre accidentally closed the door a little too hard, causing several jars and bottles to topple over.
What?
A small bottle of magic spills out onto his delicious
To his delicious concoctions.
below,
Concoction.
creating the Disney Munchlings.
That's Disney
What?
Munchlings.
That's
how
some
they
Willy
came
Wonka
to
crap.
be.
That's
Let's
so
move on
weird.
to one of the most important topics that we could possibly think of today: the Disney Munchlings
Merch!
The Disney Munchlings merch.
Oh, you brought pins?
Yeah.
Oh, what did you bring?
Pins.
She brought pins.
What?
Okay, Riley, show us our Disney Munchling pins,
So
please.
these are the Series 2 pins.
Which means there's a series 1.
She knows pins.
I couldn't find the Series 1 when I went to Disney, even though I really wanted them. But so here's some of the Series 2. Here's a little Bambi.
Oh, Bambi's like wrapped up in lettuce.
Then there's Simba.
Simba is like a what? What now?
I think he's a little like
He's like a
pineapple,
lemon meringue pie.
lemon cake. Judy Hopps. She's a little carrot cake because she's a bunny.
She's cute.
Minnie. She's so cute. She's a little blueberry pancake. Yeah, we also have the white rabbit. I don't really know what he is.
What?
Let's see.
He looks like he has a bunch of nuts on him.
Watch out, she's allergic.
Then there's the 3 duck triplets. They're really cute.
What are their names?
Huey, Dewey, and Louie.
Oh,
Thought you were gonna make an enemy out of Hank again.
yeah.
Daisy.
Oh, Daisy.
She's a little
Let's see Daisy.
drink.
Oh, she's like a coconut drink.
Yeah. Pooh.
Oh, Pooh! More Pooh!
He's really cute. I
All
love
these
him.
different variations and sizes of Pooh.
And then lastly, we have Angel
Oh,
as a
she's
little
cute.
acai bowl.
oh, what?
I've actually.
Wow, thank you so much for sharing your pins with us. Rye is also an avid Disney pin collector, as are we, so hooray.
How many
for
pins you
that.
got?
I don't know.
Ha! No.
Do
Don't touch me! No! Tonight!
If you think these are cute, all right, so just go on to Shop Disney because their Disney Munchling merch is insane.
Adorable.
It's insane.
Adorable.
And I love all of these things. See, we've got the Disney Munchling Mystery Scented Plush Garden Goodness. Those are the ones that Rye just showed us
They're a
the pins
couple.
of. That is so cute. No, they're scented, right?
Yeah.
I wonder what they smell like. Like, what does the Bambi wrapped in lettuce smell like?
Oh, dear.
Well, out of this set, which one would you like, Munchling expert?
I would really like the Mike Wazowski because my theme for my cheer was Monsters Inc. And I was trying to get that pin and I couldn't get it. So I really
This one is the Disney Munchling Mystery Plus Street Food Fusion. So it looks like what we've got here is like the main character in the
Oh,
sauce.
pizza!
And look at the container that they come in. It's like a fast
food
food
truck.
Yeah, it's a little truck.
It
and
is
looks
really cute. Let us know which one you guys would want
Let
from this
us
set.
know.
This is like one of the OGs also, which was one of my favorites. So this one reminded me of like Christmas time because of the peppermints.
Yes.
But which one would you guys want out of this set?
Oh, Goofy, look at him.
yeah, Goofy
He looks like a brown SpongeBob.
Goofy looks so like tiny and cute, but I really love Minnie, so I'd probably get Minnie.
Me too. Which one do you want from here? This is the original, the OG.
Eeyore with the blueberry head.
Minnie. I want Minnie.
This
They
one's
look-
the ice cream
Yeah,
set.
they look like a bunch of little villains. So they have like Maleficent,
Oh!
Hades.
Look at Oogie Boogie.
Oh, that's what I'm looking
He's
at.
great.
Which
He's
one
so
did you
cute.
want? Because you wound up with this one.
Hades
Pain and Panic.
with the little eyeball.
I really want Lotso. I love Lotso. He's
I
so
bet he smells really good. Yes, another one of those like couples. So what do we have going on here?
We have, so there's Gus Gus with a
What?
little like chocolate strawberry drizzling. They have Huey, Dewey, and Louie.
I'm
Oh.
gonna say something. I'm gonna be so bold and say something here.
Oh, God.
I like the originals better that don't come in the pairs.
Yeah, I agree with that.
Because I am not able to easily identify what some of these are or who the characters are, but
Just
like
because you're not a good fan.
I guess so. But like the original ones, I'm like, that is definitely Donald as a donut. Like, I don't know. I think they're cute, but maybe I need to brush up on my Disney facts a
Yeah.
little bit.
Brush
oh
up.
my
Oh
gosh,
my
you guys! Which one from this
So
set?
those are my favorite. I think I would want.
This is
so
what I'm talking about.
They're couples. Like they have Minnie and Mickey. They have Baymax and Mochi, and they have Marie and another cat. I don't really remember all their names because I didn't really watch that one.
Some expert.
But
I don't remember
the
their names, but I'm an
Mickey
expert.
is like a root beer, and I'm obsessed with it. But the Baymax is like a milk or like a juice,
Baymax
and it's
is
really
cute.
cute. So I like those.
Drink your Baymax juice.
My
Not hungry.
Oh,
oh, okay.
I'm gonna get this. It's the
Aw.
Munchling Magic Band, except it has a little Minnie in the center.
Okay.
Like where you like.
That one's
Okay.
really cute. Oh my god, that one's
That's a really cute.
$65?
65.
I would
The Cinnabon.
Crossbody.
Crossbody.
How cute is that? Okay, they also have a poo crossbody.
Put pool across your body. Yeah. Oh, look, jewelry.
There's the water bottle.
Water
It's
bottle.
so
Cute.
cute, and it has like different changing tops.
We don't need-
There's a necklace with Chip, Dale, and Mickey on it, and then there are
That's
two
weird.
earrings that have the Minnie
Also
on
got
it.
Munchling pens that are in the Disney parks right now.
They have pens and notebooks.
Oh, they're so
And
cute.
Oh, they're
adorable.
scented.
Also, Munchling ears that I was looking for, and I couldn't find them. They're so
the Munchling
cute.
ears. Those are perfect.
They're literally so cute.
They're
You
perfect.
need them.
They're the ears of, right?
Yeah,
Years
there's
of
a mini.
mini. So,
Yeah.
okay, well, this was our Disney Munchling cookie episode. Like we said before, please go ahead and watch how all of these guys were made because it was a lot of fun to make them. Let us know which one out of this set was your favorite, and out of all the ones that we showed you, all the sets, which one is like the ultimate one that you need. Please, if you like this episode, if you like watching our cookie decorating, please do consider liking and subscribing and hanging out with us a little bit more. Thank you so much, and we will see you next time, cookie friends.
Next time!
Bye.
Ah!
Yeah.
Yeah, she said.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hello.
It's not funny!
To wrap it up.
Yeah, let's wrap it up. This is like an hour and a half episode. Stop touching my feet! Dead air time!